Are you tired of seeing all those high-end gadgets and thinking you can't afford them? Well, what if I told you that there are affordable AI gadgets out there that perform just like the premium ones? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine getting top-notch performance without spending a fortune. Whether you're looking to improve your fitness, stay organized, or boost your productivity, these AI-powered devices can do it all. In this video, we'll explore 5 AI gadgets that give you the best of both worlds: amazing features, smart tech, and most importantly, they are budget-friendly. Stick around to find out how these gadgets can simplify your life while saving you money. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. 1. Amazfit Active 2, the AI-powered fitness tracker on a budget. Imagine having a fitness tracker that gives you the same features as high-end devices like the Apple Watch or Samsung Galaxy Watch, but at a fraction of the price. The Amazfit Active 2, priced at just $99, is an affordable option that provides AI-driven coaching, adaptive fitness plans, and smart activity analysis, making it an excellent choice for anyone serious about their fitness journey. This budget-friendly fitness tracker uses AI to analyze your workouts, giving you personalized insights and suggestions to improve your performance. Unlike other fitness trackers in its price range, the Amazfit Active 2 comes with offline mapping and the ability to pair with external heart rate sensors, features typically reserved for high-end sport watches. Whether you're a casual runner, yoga enthusiast, or fitness professional, this watch tracks your activity accurately and adjusts your fitness plans to fit your needs. The best part? It costs just $99, making it accessible without sacrificing essential features. With the Amazfit Active 2, you can track not just your steps and heart rate, but also sleep patterns, stress levels, and calories burned, all in real time. The AI system learns from your past workouts to offer personalized recommendations, ensuring you are always improving at the right pace. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with your smartphone to provide real-time notifications, ensuring you stay on track even during your busy days. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, this fitness tracker will push you to reach new milestones. 2. TP-Link Topo RV30 Max Plus, affordable AI robot vacuum. Who says robot vacuums need to cost a fortune? The TP-Link Topo RV30 Max Plus, priced at an affordable range between $129 to $199, offers AI-driven navigation and a self-emptying dustbin, bringing premium features found in high-end robot vacuums into a sub-$300 price point. This smart robot vacuum uses advanced AI algorithms to navigate your home, avoid obstacles, and clean effectively, ensuring your space stays tidy with minimal effort. Whether you have hardwood floors, carpets, or rugs, the Topo RV30 Max Plus adapts to each surface and provides powerful cleaning performance. This budget robot vacuum also includes self-emptying technology, which typically comes with much pricier models. The Topo RV30 Max Plus continuously analyzes its cleaning path, ensuring it covers your home thoroughly while saving you time. Its sleek design and smart features make it a fantastic choice for those looking to automate cleaning at an affordable price. If you've been waiting for a high-performing robot vacuum that doesn't break the bank, this is your solution. The Topo RV30 Max Plus works autonomously, cleaning the home and even returning to its charging station when its battery is low. You can control it through an app on your phone, adjusting settings, scheduling cleaning times, and even monitoring its progress in real time. It's the perfect device for people who want a smart, hands-off solution to keep their home spotless without the hassle of manually cleaning every day. This AI-powered device brings both convenience and efficiency to your doorstep. 3. Nothing Phone 3A, AI in your pocket. Looking for an AI-powered smartphone that doesn't break the bank? The Nothing Phone 3A, priced at only $299, gives you the benefits of advanced AI features at an affordable price. Powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chip, this phone features an AI system that enhances your camera, optimizes battery life, and tailors your daily phone experience based on your habits. It offers AI-driven essential key functions and a circle-to-search capability that makes it easy to find anything on your phone with a simple swipe. Not only does it bring AI to the forefront of smartphone design, but it also delivers premium performance, making it a top contender for anyone looking for an affordable device that performs like a flagship. The Nothing Phone 3a is perfect for those who want AI-enhanced features such as battery optimization, camera improvements, and personalized assistant support, all without the hefty price tag of traditional premium phones. With its advanced AI capabilities, it's no wonder why the Nothing Phone 3a is being hailed as one of the best value phones in 2026. The phone also integrates seamlessly with your smart home devices, allowing you to control lights, thermostats, and other appliances directly from your phone with voice commands. The Nothing Phone 3a's AI assistant can learn your habits over time, offering proactive suggestions, such as scheduling reminders or adjusting settings based on your routines. It's a perfect mix of affordable price and cutting-edge AI features for a connected world. 4. Omi Wearable AI Assistant, always on memory for a smarter day. Have you ever wished for an AI assistant that's always by your side, helping you stay organized throughout your day? The Omi Wearable AI Assistant, priced at just $99, offers a game-changing solution. Unlike traditional AI assistants that are tied to apps or devices, Omi is a wearable gadget that stays with you all day. It's designed to capture audio, organize thoughts, and generate summaries of your day without you having to lift a finger. Whether it's a crucial meeting, a casual conversation, or an important idea you want to remember, Omi makes sure you never forget a thing. What really sets Omi apart from other memory tools is its ability to automatically tag and link your recorded conversations, creating a personalized memory system that's always accessible when you need it. This means you no longer need to worry about keeping track of your meetings or jotting down notes constantly. Omi's ambient memory technology works seamlessly in the background, ensuring that important moments are captured effortlessly. It's an excellent, affordable introduction to the world of memory-enhancing AI. With its sleek, discreet design, Omi fits comfortably into your daily life without causing distractions. The AI system syncs with your smartphone, organizing your data and memories in a user-friendly interface. Whether you're a professional trying to stay on top of work, a student needing to capture lecture notes, or a creative looking to document ideas on the go, Omi is the ideal companion. It's a simple yet powerful tool for capturing moments and staying organized, making your day smarter and more efficient. 5. Anchor Soundcore Work AI Recorder, compact, affordable, and effective. Looking for a tiny AI-powered recorder that can handle all your meeting transcriptions and notes? The Anchor Soundcore Work AI Recorder from Anchor, priced at $79, might be exactly what you need. This coin-sized wearable records your meetings with crystal-clear audio and provides real-time transcriptions, ensuring you never miss a detail during important discussions. It's a great, affordable alternative to other premium voice recorders that are often bulky and expensive. The Soundcore Work AI Recorder doesn't just record conversations. It also processes and organizes them for easy retrieval. You can listen to key highlights, see action items, and access your recordings quickly, helping you stay organized without spending time on manual note-taking. With the brand reputation of Anchor behind it, you can be sure that this device offers consistent performance and battery life. At a price that is hard to beat, the Soundcore Work AI Recorder is the ideal tool for anyone who needs a compact yet reliable voice recorder. Whether you're in meetings, conferences, or casual discussions, the Soundcore Work AI Recorder captures the audio clearly and accurately, saving you time and effort. It's a perfect device for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to keep track of information quickly and efficiently. For those who need a compact recorder with powerful capabilities, this is an affordable yet practical solution. So there you have it. 5 affordable AI gadgets that perform like premium devices at a reasonable price. From fitness trackers to voice recorders, these devices are making AI accessible and functional for everyone, no matter your budget. If you enjoyed this video and found these gadgets interesting, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tech content. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll continue exploring the latest and greatest in affordable, game-changing technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.